Hello, this is Learn to Code, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to use while loops in Python. A while loop is a special kind of loop that continues to repeat a block of code until a condition becomes true. We're going to test this out by making a silly game called Pick a Letter, Any Letter, where the user is asked to guess a letter over and over again until they get it right. Once they get it right, the program will say, "Well done." Let's see how it's done. So we've opened up our IDE, I'm in Replit, and I'm just going to put a quick print function just at the top. There we go. It helps if you've clicked on the actual window. Pick a letter. Any letter. There we go. And we're going to initialize a variable, and this is our letter. Now it can just be blank, doesn't need to have anything in it. And now we're going to write our while line. So while letter, and we're going to say is not equal to, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick the letter U, colon on the end. We are going to ask the person to keep inputting the letter. And we'll say, guess which letter I'm thinking of. Give them a space at the end to actually type the letter, and then we'll come out of the loop and we will print, "Well done, you guessed it." Okay. So let's just run this and see what happens. Yep, prints out the top line. Pick a letter, any letter. Guess which letter I'm thinking of. Let's put an A in there. Guess which letter I'm thinking of. A B, a C. You can see where this is going. Now we know the answer is U, so let's type in U. Well done, you guessed it. Brilliant. So the program works. Now, just a word of caution. Most of the time while loops make use of a sentry variable. This is a variable that is tested to see if the code in the loop should run or not. If you forget to initialize the sentry variable before the loop, your program will generate an error. Let's have a look and see how that works. So over here our sentry variable is letter, and we have initialized initialated? What's initialated? I don't think initialated exists. Anyway, I digress. We have initialized the variable letter before the loop. Now let's just take that out. We'll just hash it out, and let's see what happens this time. And there's our error. Name error. Name letter is not defined. Okay, and we've got a bit of help because it's told us it's on line 5, so it's to do with this, but we know it's because we didn't initialize letter. Yeah, just run again, check it works. Yeah, type a U. Ha, how smart am I? Okay, so what could we do next? Well, you can just go ahead and create your own version of the Pick a Letter, Any Letter game. You could also try extending your game by giving the user just 3 attempts to guess the letter. If they run out of attempts, the game is over. Good luck!